Hi there, this is Samantha from the Law Offices of Samantha Wolfe. And the next what if question I have is what if I want to disinherit someone? So, for example, if we have a husband and wife who comes in, maybe they have 4 children and they would want to disinherit one of their children, how do they do that? And so, what we typically do is we always have an identification paragraph. And what that does is it says, who are the children? So, who's the spouse that we're referring to in the will, and who are the children that we're referring to? And if there's someone that we're disinheriting, we mention them. So, let's just say, for example, my parents wanted to disinherit me. We would list me in the identification paragraph. So, Samantha Wolfe is my daughter. And if they didn't want to provide for me, they would say, we are not, or we have not provided for Samantha Wolfe in this document. And we'll say, I'm specifically disinheriting her. And then the question becomes, are they also disinheriting any children I have? And so the will might actually say, I'm specifically disinheriting Samantha Wolfe and any of her descendants. We also sometimes will put in there if there's a reason we're disinheriting them. So, for example, if my parents have gifted me assets during life, whether it be a house or they gifted me a sum of money, and that's why they're disinheriting me, typically we'll put that in there as well, just as an explanation. And the reason why is because we want the beneficiary to know that they were thought of, but they were provided for under different means or using different means. We also sometimes will do that if we're using non-probate assets, so assets with a beneficiary designation as part of the planning. We'll put a paragraph that says, I'm specifically not providing for Samantha Wolfe in this will. However, I have provided for her using non-probate assets. So that would be the way that you would handle that. If you have any questions, you're welcome to call us at 717-655-2676.